Hi friend! We are gonna do another story and it is officially springtime. If you're in Southern California, it is hot this week, but it's beautiful and I hope you're enjoying the sun. If you were following along in the last couple weeks, you know we did a special Earth Day activity where we planted a basil plant, and actually I have him here to show you. So I want you to look. Oh, he's growing. I don't even really have to tilt the pot that much. Our basil plant is growing. I'm giving him lots of water. He's enjoying the sunshine just as much as I am. And he's gonna keep growing. And so I'm gonna read a little story about planting vegetables. Since we kind of already know how to do that, we're gonna backtrack a little bit and do a story. I'm gonna read this story, and then I'm also gonna be getting to show you a garden from some of my friends that they've been putting together, a vegetable garden, and it goes right along with the idea of growing vegetable soup. And this is one of my favorite books to read when we're talking about planting and gardening, and it's by Lois Ehlert. Did I say that right? I hope I did. Ehlert. All right, so we're gonna do growing vegetable soup. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work, and our tools are ready too. Do you remember we used some of these tools when we planted our basil? So we had a rake, a shovel, and this one down here, this is called a hoe, and it helps move dirt around. We are planting the seeds. See how they go right inside the dirt? And all the sprouts. Can you see? Look at all those little sprouts. And it says down here there's potato, broccoli, onions. There's some pepper and cabbage. This kind of looks like our basil plant. That's pepper. Do you know pepper comes from the ground in a plant? And we are giving them water. We're giving them water. So first we plant, and then we give them water. Now we're waiting for warm sun to make them grow. The sun gives them food that they need to help them grow. And they grow. Look it. They're getting bigger. And grow into plants. You see how big they got? That's like how big our basil plant will get. We watch over them and we weed. You gotta get out some of the plants that like to take over, so you gotta weed them out, right? See, that's what you use your little rake for. Until the vegetables are ready to pick. They look ready, don't you think? Let's see, what do we have? We have tomatoes, peppers. Do you know what this one is? This yummy, yummy corn. Or dig up. Sometimes you can pick them and sometimes you have to dig for them. Let's see, what do we dig for? We dig for carrots and potatoes. Yum. Potatoes make French fries. And carry home, and then we wash them. You have to wash them. And cut them and put them in a pot of water. So now we're getting ready to eat them. Look at all these sliced up vegetables that we made in our garden. And we cook them into vegetable soup. Yum. At last, it's time to eat it all up. The soup was the best ever. And and we can grow it again next year. That's the fun part about gardens. All right, the end. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you head on over to our video where we actually get to talk to a real life vegetable gardener who just started their very own vegetable garden. So stay tuned for that. I hope you have a wonderful day in the sun and drink lots of water because it's pretty hot out there. Bye-bye.